Hello, knowledge seekers. Before we dive into today's topic, do us a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us bring more insightful content your way. Today we're exploring the fascinating realm of implicit and explicit. These concepts are crucial in our daily communication and understanding. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the world of implicit and explicit. Implicit and explicit are two crucial terms in the realm of communication. They help us understand the layers of meaning in conversations and texts. Let's break it down. Explicit refers to something that is stated clearly and in detail, leaving no room for confusion. It's like a signpost, guiding you directly to the point. Implicit, on the other hand, is something that is suggested but not directly expressed. It's like a hidden treasure, waiting to be discovered. Now that we know what they mean, it's time to look at some examples. We start with the explicit. For instance, if someone says, "I am tired," they're being explicit. They have directly communicated their state. No guesswork needed. It's like they've given you the answer key to a test question right there and then. It's clear, it's direct, and it leaves no room for misinterpretation. Now let's flip the coin and take a look at the implicit side of things. Picture this. Someone yawns, stretches out and says, "It's been a long day." They haven't directly said they're tired, have they? But their actions and words suggest it. That's an implicit statement. It's a bit like a riddle, isn't it? You have to piece together the clues to understand the message. So in a nutshell, explicit means stating something directly and clearly, while implicit means suggesting or indicating something without outright stating it. Got it? Great. Now let's move on to the next set of examples. Let's consider another explicit example. The shop closes at 10 p.m. This is a clear, direct statement, leaving no room for interpretation. There is no guesswork here. The speaker has laid out the facts in a straightforward manner. This is the essence of explicit communication. Now think about a scenario where someone tells you, "Don't bother going to the shop after your late-night movie. It won't be open." They didn't mention any specific closing time, yet you get the message. That's implicit communication at work. The speaker is indirectly indicating that the shop won't be open late. You're gathering information from what is implied rather than what is directly stated. In both examples, the core message is the same. The shop won't be open late. However, the way this information is conveyed varies, showcasing the difference between explicit and implicit communication. Time for our final set of examples. For our last explicit example, consider this. "I love this book." It's a straightforward expression of liking. There's no ambiguity, no hidden meaning. The speaker clearly states their feelings towards the book. Now let's dive into an implicit example. Imagine someone saying, "I couldn't put this book down until I finished it." What are they really saying? They aren't directly stating a love for the book. Instead, they're implying their fondness through their actions. It's a more subtle way of expressing their feelings. They might not utter the words, "I love this book," but their actions speak volumes. And there you have it. 5 examples each of implicit and explicit statements. So we've learned that explicit statements are direct and leave no room for interpretation, while implicit ones suggest or imply a meaning without stating it outright. We've seen this through our 5 examples, from the subtlety of a nod to the clarity of a written rule. It's a fascinating exploration of how we communicate and interpret the world around us. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time.